Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a review on the Victorinox Swiss Army Climber. It's a really great knife. It's really affordable. It will run you around $30. So it's a really great price. They come in lots of different colors. There's red, black, I've seen them in yellow, special Boy Scout editions. It's really nice. You can also get cases for them. That's a leather belt case with a button on it. So it's a really great knife, and I will go over the tools now. You have a large knife, a smaller knife, a bottle opener with cap lifter, wire stripper, and large flathead screwdriver, a can opener with small flathead screwdriver, scissors, a corkscrew, a multi-purpose hook, and a reamer with hole punch, or a reamer with sewing eye. And you also have the lanyard ring, and I just have this braided lanyard that someone gave to me because it's easier to get out of the case when you have something to grab onto. And as well, as most Swiss Army knives do, you have the tweezers and you have the toothpick. So that takes care of the tools. But what they're made out of, it's high quality mirror polished stainless steel, I believe. Yes, mirror polished stainless steel. And it's really shiny. If you were out in a survival situation and you didn't have a mirror to signal with, you could probably use the blade on a Swiss Army knife. Now I'm going to give you some measurements. The blade length from the point where it starts to be sharpened to the tip is just under 2.5 inches. The smaller blade is about 1.5 inches. The knife, the just whole knife closed, is looks like just over 3.5 inches, and thickness just over 1/2 inch. So it's a really great knife, really affordable. I have two, and because I like it so much, I use it a lot. And thanks for watching. Please comment and tell me what you think. Thanks.